Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook a family recipe called Kochu Ilish Matha or Taro Hilsa head. It is served in the main course of meals along with hot steamed rice. We make it generally during the monsoon or rainy season, the Hilsa season. The bones of Hilsa head and the slimy nature of taro makes a nice combination and tastes very nice with hot steamed rice. Since Hilsa is a costly fish, it cannot be made every day. We can make it during special occasions, festivals, and can be given to guests. Please watch till the end as I give many tips or recommendations, explanations, and alternatives. Heat mustard oil 6 tablespoons till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. Add Hilsa head 1 large, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Add it to both sides. And salt 1/4 teaspoon. Add it to both sides. And fry in medium to high heat till golden brown. With a spatula, break the Hilsa head as much as possible. Tip: along with Hilsa head, a Hilsa tail can also be added. The Hilsa head is now golden brown. Take off the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, heat mustard oil 6 tablespoons again till it fumes. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 2 split in the middle, kalu jeera or nigella seeds 1/2 teaspoon, crushed cumin 1/2 tablespoon or cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and crushed coriander seeds 1/2 tablespoon or coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. I have crushed cumin and coriander seeds in mixture and grinder till nearly powder. I make them in bulk and store in airtight jars. If you are using cumin and coriander powders, then please use them with other powders like turmeric and chili. The masala is now golden brown. Add chopped onion 2/3 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 minutes. Onion is now brownish. Add ginger paste 2 teaspoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. Add taro roots 8. Each taro is cut into 8 pieces. Skin is peeled off. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoon or red chili powder 1 teaspoon. And salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Add fried Hilsa head. Saute in medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Add water 3 cups. And salt 1/2 teaspoon. Mix well. Cover with a lid and cook for 20 minutes in high heat. If you want more slimy taste, cook for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. This is how it looks. Stir for 1 minute. The curry is cooked because the curry has become thick. With a knife or spoon, break a taro root to check if it is cooked. It is cutting into 2 pieces without any effort. Taste it, add whatever is required as per taste. Add green chili to slit in the middle. Mix well. I have added green chilies last so that they don't make my curry very spicy or hot. Switch off the gas. After 5 minutes, the oil and masala will float on top of the curry like this. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves about 3 to 4 people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.